こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Hey, today I'm very excited. I always enjoy cooking, but today I had so much fun making this video or preparing this special food, and I'm gonna show you how to make this amazake using this Kome Koji, Koji, Japanese rice Koji mold. It's a mold. So first of all, what is amazake? Ama or amai means sweet. Sake, sake, so sweet sake, literally translated, amazake is sweet sake, but it could be non-alcohol or low alcohol. And it's a very traditional Japanese drink, sweet drink. And we use the fermented rice. So the keyword is fermented. And there are three types. One made with koji mold. And second one made with amazake, made with sake kasu. Sake kasu is the leftover of making sake. And third one is mixture of koji one and sake kasu one. So koji, the one made with koji is non-alcohol. And today I'm gonna focus on amazake with koji mold. Amazake is a traditional drink, sweet drink, but recent years, last couple years, it's been becoming very, very popular. People call it drinkable IV drip fluid. Like instead of like a needle, drinkable IV drip fluid, or people call it drinkable fluid, drinkable serum. So it means it's good for your body or health, and it's good for your skin too. It's full of nutrition and rich in vitamins, and keyword is fermented food. People are paying more attention on fermented food or drink in last couple of years. Today I'm gonna focus on amazake made with koji mold. Kome Koji, this one, I'm gonna use this one, and it's a non-alcohol, and you can prepare easily at home. And since it's non-alcohol, little kids, pregnant women who are breastfeeding, they can all enjoy. And also it's a vegan, gluten-free. So Amazake base, we're gonna make Amazake base. But Amazake base, you can make a drink and make a shake, smoothie, or you can use as a marinade too. Marinade of meat, vegetable, and you can use for baking. Like you can make pancake or muffin, cookie. Amazake base, so Amazake is vegan and gluten-free. So it's gonna be really popular. It's gonna be popular in the United States or all over the world too. It can be a sugar substitute for vegan cooking. So today I'm gonna demonstrate how to prepare amazake at home using rice cooker. Very, very easy. And I use the recipe, Japanese recipe, great recipe, but it's only in Japanese. So I'm gonna translate, and I put that link. So if you can read Japanese, please check the description box. And you need rice cooker and kitchen thermometer. It's a must. And then main ingredients are rice, water, and Kome Koji, rice koji mold. And you can purchase a Japanese grocery store or online, and I could only find the dry one, but sometimes you can find raw one if you are in Japan. So please check the recipe. After making amazake base, I'm gonna demonstrate how to prepare the dessert using amazake base, and amazake chicken. it's like a teriyaki chicken, but you can tell if you taste it when you marinate meat with amazake. You can tell the difference when you grill or saute. It tenderizes meat and it enhances the umami flavor. So so much fun. So much you will have fun making amazake at home. So let's see how to prepare amazake at home. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please share with your friend. And I started a new blog called Healthy Japan, and my latest blog I will write about koji, koji mode, koji and shio koji and amazake. So please check it out. It's very interesting. Let's make amazake base. With this recipe, you can make about 32 ounce mason jar amount of amazake base. And you need 1 cup of uncooked rice. And for measuring cup, please use the one which comes with rice cooker. And 360 milliliter of water. And 2 cups using the same measuring cup which comes with rice cooker. 2 cups of Kome Koji, rice koji. It's a dried rice koji. And you need another 360 milliliter of water. First, you wash the rice, just like cooking the regular rice, and wash and drain the water. Add in a rice cooker, place drained rice and then add 300 milliliter of water and cook just like cooking regular rice. It takes about 60 minutes normally. And then the one finish is a little bit softer than regular cooked rice. And we're gonna add another 360 milliliter of water, cold water, and mix. And after mixing very well, we're gonna check the temperature and make sure it's under 140 Fahrenheit or 60 Celsius, under 60 Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit. Because koji mode will die if the temperature goes above 60 Celsius. So make sure temperature is okay and add dried Kome Koji. Kome means rice, so rice koji, and mix very well. And then we're gonna cover with a wet cloth. Make sure wet the cloth and cover the top of the rice cooker. So don't close the lid, keep the lid open. And then we're gonna keep the mode to keep warm mode. So it's not cooking, keep warm mode. And then we're gonna wait for 8 hours. Keep warm mode and wait for 8 hours. And during 8 hours, make sure kitchen cloth is always wet. So every once in a while, check the cloth. And if it's dry, make it wet. And after 8 hours, amazake base is ready. You can smell nice, very aromatic, very flavorful, sweet smell. And then place in a clean jar with a tight lid. And then we're gonna keep it at room temperature. And once it's cooled down, press the lid. And then you can keep in a fridge. And shelf life is 1 week for homemade amazake base. And if you wanna keep it longer, you can place in a Ziploc and you can put in a freezer and keep more than a week. And if you wanna drink, for drinking, 1 part of amazake base, and you can add 1 part of water, and you can drink hot or cold. It's up to you. So 1 part of Amazake base and 1 part of water. And you can add ice. My friend said it tastes like horchata, the Mexican drink, horchata. It's really tasty. During summertime, I drink cold, and it gives lots of energy. And hot one is tastes good too. Now using the Amazake base we made, let's make soy pudding with Amazake Chia sauce. It's a dessert. You need half cup of Amazake base, 1 cup of soy milk, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 3 tablespoons of water and 1 package or 5 grams of gelatin, and fruits of your choice. Your favorite fruits. First, we're gonna make a chia sauce, chia and Amazake sauce. So just mix half cup of Amazake base and 2 tablespoons of chia seed and mix very well. And we're gonna prepare soy pudding. So mix 3 tablespoons of water and gelatin and mix very well. And heat up 1 cup of soy milk. And once it starts boiling, add gelatin mixture. Turn off the heat and then add gelatin mixture and mix very well. And turn off the heat and let it cool at room temperature. And once it's cooled down, place in a container and place in a fridge. And after about 1 hour, it will become a pudding, soy pudding. And we're gonna decorate. Place the soy pudding in a glass or cup and add chia sauce. And add your favorite fruits. Today I chose fig and strawberry, and it looks cute. And this dessert very tasty, very great vegan dessert. You will enjoy. And our last dish is Amazake chicken. It's like a teriyaki chicken. You need 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And 3 tablespoons of Amazake base. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And some salt. Very simple dish. So sprinkle some salt and wait for 5-10 minutes. Sprinkle salt both sides. And place in a container and add Amazake base and soy sauce. And I should have mix Amazake base and soy sauce at the beginning, but I didn't. So I'll place Amazake base and soy sauce in a container and mix very well. And we're gonna marinate about 1 hour, at least 1 hour. After mixing well, place in the fridge and wait for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, heat the frying pan and we're gonna cook over medium heat. Heat the frying pan and spread some oil, and then we're gonna saute. Saute until both sides are fully cooked. And as you can see, we're gonna use Amazake base as a marinade. Amazake base tenderize the meat or seafood vegetable and then enhance the umami flavor. So you can tell this is different from teriyaki chicken. You can tell the depth of flavor. It's very good. And make sure both sides are nice and gold brown and heat cooked through the chicken, the meat. And once it's done, we're gonna slice it and serve over the fresh hot rice. And I marinated my vegetable with same marinade, amazake and soy sauce and sauteed. So I'm gonna, just for color and flavor, I add broccoli and bell pepper. And amazake chicken is ready to serve. Yummy!